So I guess I'll never know, 'cause I guess you'll never show it to me. Oh, to me. So get away, close all the windows. Oh, you're freaking me out, love. Yeah. I wanted to sing out loud so you could hear me. Oh, but nothing came out here. So this is the season, oh, to write a sad love song, to evaluate your own psychosis, or put yourself away in a bottle. Now, well, I would to jump